A stranger left a note on my car and saved my life. When I walked out of the supermarket, I found a note on my car's windshield. It said, "Do not start the engine. Call the police." My first instinct was to ignore it. It had to be a bad joke, but something inside me made me hesitate. I looked around, and then I noticed something strange. A black car was parked 2 spaces away from mine, engine running, tinted window. A chill ran down my spine. I didn't know what to do, but fear took over, and I called the police. Minutes later, 2 patrol cars arrived and inspected my car. That's when I saw the officer's expression change completely. "Step away immediately." I backed away, trembling. One of the officers checked under my car, and there it was, a GPS tracker with a small device attached. "Miss, someone didn't want you to reach your destination." They checked the parking lot cameras and saw a man placing it on my car. But the creepiest part, the person who left the note was a homeless man who always wandered around the area. They tried to find him, but he had vanished. I never found out who he was. But from that day on, I always check my car before getting in.